Are you on the edge of your seats for the new Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus? You should be. The anticipation is palpable as the Redmi Note 13 series prepares to make its grand entrance into the global markets. With European pricing details already surfacing online, the Pro models promise to be a game changer. And as we eagerly await their official unveiling, we can't help but draw comparisons with their Chinese counterparts. So stay tuned as we delve into the features and of these much-anticipated smartphones. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty. How do the Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus stack up against their Chinese counterparts? Let's start with the heart of any smartphone, the processor. While the Chinese variants of both the Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus are powered by MediaTek Dimensity SoCs, the global Pro model runs on the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 SoC. This means we can expect a bit of a performance difference between these models. Next, let's talk about the camera capabilities. Both Chinese variants sport triple rear cameras led by a whopping 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP3 primary sensor with optical image stabilization. They also pack a 16-megapixel sensor at the front, so if you're a photography enthusiast, these Chinese variants might tickle your fancy. Moving on to battery life and fast charging support, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is backed by a 5,100 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging support. The Pro Plus version houses a slightly smaller 5,000 mAh battery, but boasts an impressive 120-watt fast charging support. In terms of pricing, the Pro model starts at roughly 17,400 rupees in China, while the Pro Plus starts at around 22,800 rupees. However, the European pricing leaks suggest they'll be priced at around 40,700 rupees and 45,000 rupees respectively. Quite a comparison, isn't it? But wait, there's more to unpack. Now that we've compared, let's summarize the key features and pricing details of the Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus. Both these models are designed to impress with their 6.67-inch 5K Full HD plus AMOLED display, ensuring a stunning visual experience. When it comes to power, the Redmi Note 13 Pro runs on the formidable Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 SoC, while the Pro Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity SoC, promising smooth performance and efficient multitasking. The camera capabilities of these models are nothing short of spectacular. They sport a triple rear camera setup led by a 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HP3 primary sensor with optical image stabilization, capturing moments in stunning clarity. For all the selfie lovers out there, a 16-megapixel front camera is ready to snap your best angles. You will also have a choice of stylish colors. The Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus will be available in black, blue, and white in the European regions. And if you're worried about running out of space, these models are expected to come in a generous single memory configuration of 12 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. Battery life is a key concern for most smartphone users. Well, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is backed by a 5100 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. The Pro Plus model, on the other hand, houses a 5000 mAh battery with an impressive 120W fast charging support. Now let's talk about pricing. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is expected to be priced at around 450 euros, which is roughly 40,700 rupees. The Pro Plus model is likely to come with a price tag of approximately 500 euros, translating to around 45,000 rupees. Do keep in mind, these prices may vary slightly, depending on local VAT rates in different countries. And there you have it. The Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus are ready to take the global market by storm. Are you ready for them? So, with the impressive specs and competitive pricing, you might be wondering, is the Redmi Note 13 Pro or the Pro Plus the right smartphone for me? The answer lies in your specific needs and preferences. If you're a heavy-duty gamer or a content creator, the Pro Plus with its MediaTek Dimensity SoC and 120W fast charging support might be more up your alley. However, if you're looking for a balance between performance and price, the Redmi Note 13 Pro could be your new best friend. It's also worth noting that both models offer a great visual experience and impressive camera capabilities, making them a good pick for movie buffs and photography enthusiasts. But as always, It's best to try these devices out in a store if possible, to get a real feel for their handling and performance. Remember, the best phone for you is not necessarily the one with the highest specs, but the one that meets your needs and fits within your budget. With that being said, we are really excited about the release of the Redmi Note 13 Pro and Pro Plus. They certainly seem like strong contenders in the mid-range smartphone market, offering a great blend of advanced features, modern design, and competitive pricing. But ultimately, the decision is yours. We hope this video has helped you make an informed choice. And remember, technology is only as good as how you